Hey guys, I'm creeped out by this weird sound. Take a hear. I don't know what that is. Do you hear it? It woke me up, but if you know what that sound is, leave it in the comment below, because I freaking do not know what that sound is. Take another look. I mean, here. I can't even see it, so. Did you hear that? So, I mean, yeah, leave it comment below, and this is creepy. If you hear it too, yes, you live next to me. So yeah. I'm creeped out still. Bye.